Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to set custom notification sound. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to sounds and haptics. Now you can set custom notification sounds for text tone, new voicemail, new mail, send mail, calendar alerts and reminder alerts. Simply enter one of this section and select new notification sound from the system sounds or from tone store. You can find your downloaded and purchased tones from more, purchased and downloads. Simply select your custom sound and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.